Hey guys, so it's Real Jamaican Foodies again, and we're back with another video. Today will be an Uncorked, and that's in Fairview, and I have my girl Abby who will be here with me. So we'll be doing the regular, taste it, eat it, and review it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and you're gonna see it all. Okay guys, so we have been seated and we're here, we're waiting. Well, I don't think we have to wait for somebody to take our order. Does somebody come over and take our order?
Yes.
But this is the menu. It's so cool. So you scan this and you get to see their menu. So cool, really cool. And what I'm seeing every restaurant that I've gone is that since this pandemic, there are a lot of things that have been implemented that should have been something that was, more user-friendly to us and less contact with germs and with people overall, which is really nice for me. So we're here waiting, and I really like how we have AC, guys, so happy. Abby is actually my dear friend, and she'll be here with us. And what she does, as she is an insurance seller,
Insurance and financial advisor.
So if you want to purchase your insurance and get secure, especially in this time of need, because we have the pandemic, my girl Abby, you can link her up. Yeah, so we're waiting for someone to come along to take our order. So we're just taking a look on the menu because we have scan, right? And Abby have already gotten her soup, so I'm waiting on mine. So now we're going to look and see what we're gonna have. I'm looking on the price range, and guys, if you're bougie, this is your spot.
If you're broke, come on your spot.
If you're broke, go on a Burger King. You dance when the food tastes good. The soup here have a flick to it, Okay guys, so we're enjoying our soup, and right now, while we're enjoying our soup, I'm just gonna have a little chit chat with Abby. She works in the bank, so I then top girl there in them yields every day. So what is it like for you to work in that environment, Abby?
Well, the banking environment is a very, very busy environment. If you've been to the bank, then you know it's quite busy, and there's a certain level of professionalism you have to uphold regardless of what is taking place on a day-to-day basis. It's very good. It's and in a career field where you can grow, you can branch out into different sectors of that career, and it's not something that is aligned with just one bank. As I said, it's a career, insurance and financial advisor, so I can go anywhere within that financial advising aspect of my career field. So it's good. I work at Scotiabank, Square, Montego Bay. As I said, we're in COVID-19. It's quite uncertain times, and the best thing you can leave for your family during a loss is knowing that you're secured financial coverage. So if it's that you see that insurance is a good fit for you, if long-term savings, scratch that, long-term savings is a good fit for everybody, then you can always come to Square, Montego Bay, Scotiabank branch, and ask for Rashida.
Yes, so I'm gonna go down there, ask for Rashida Blake. Guys, secure on a health, secure on a family, right? Right down at Sam Sharp Square, Scotiabank. Alright guys, we're waiting on our meal. Today we're dining fancy again, you know? So we're going to have, well, I'm having some pork chops and Abby is going to have some fish. Fish fillet something, you know, the good stuff them. You know, a girl have to eat good. Yes, I want the Ruffino.
On the Ruffino.
Wow. Wow, I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. No, sir. The food really good, guys. Guys, smells good. This I can't wait to taste. I really can't wait to taste it, guys. All right, so I'll be around there, mash up our food, you know.
I'm not gonna visit pretty.
All right, guys. So you know, say I pay fat this. Which part of pig we eat?
We just hope say I know about. I watch Glory to Glory and I will picture that still, man. Whenever I watch it, Glory to Glory. Watch that show the like. And the man say picture us again, and then a couple minutes later and then.
Well, guys, I can't wait for you my review. I'm not done a meal yet. Hey guys, so it's real Jamaican foodies. We're back with our review. We've eaten the food with past taste. I eat it off and we're belly full. I have a takeout box. Guys, as you can see, I ordered the double pork chop and it was really doubled. And I had mashed potatoes and some sauteed vegetables on the side. So we're gonna just go in based on our review. So definitely the ambience was amazing. Like I felt really comfortable. The air, everything, the music was different. The lights, it just gives you this nice homey feeling and like up, you know, that urban, what you say?
Urban centric feel.
Yeah. So the wait time, we got our appetizer real quick and it was really good. It tastes really nice. It was hot, so it really bust gas with you if if I come with a belly hungry like my friend over here. So but it was really tasting to the tongue. It wasn't salt. They had a lot of butter in there, so it was it's a first me I eat soup and like me taste so much butter in there, but it was mild and nice same way, right? What else? The wait time for the meal, I think we wait about 15 to 20 minutes, but the thing about the wait time for this environment is that the conversation, I had good company, so me never feel like, yo, my belly, my hungry, me need my food, which sometimes we get that way, right? Into the taste of my food, guys. Me say when me cut through the pork, I don't know if you see it, but it really has the juice out of it, just a flow, and then the sauce. I don't know if them tip little wine in there, but it did really intriguing to the tongue. Like it wasn't salt. You could taste the spice that they used to marinate the pork. The potato is real potato, guys. I don't know, so when we get real potato, I'm happy when we get real potato. And the vegetable wasn't salt. It wasn't overcooked. Me say, for the food, for my food, guys, you know me not give 10, but me I go give 110 for my food because me really love my food. Like, yeah. So anyways, we're gonna go into what Abby had, and she's gonna tell you her experience.
Yes. Hi guys, Abby here. So I had the Carla, which is their signature style fish fillet with scorched fandangos, which mean onions, scallion and all of them stuff there, and the sweet potato and the vegetables. The vegetables right off the top was my favorite because of the sauce that was on it. It wasn't too sweet, it wasn't really on the sour side, but more of a little tangy feel, but it was really good. Something that evokes the taste buds, making you want more. The sweet potato, of course, top notch, loved it. The fillet, for me, it was when dipped in the sauce was good, but when going in it without the sauce, it was a little bit on the fresh side. But amidst all things, it was really good for me. The meal was good, the ambience, I must say I really love the decor. You know, it wasn't a big space, but once you're seated and engrossed in the culture that they have in there, you feel very aligned with everything. The music, the decor, the lighting was really good. As Toby said, the conversation was top notch, top tier, and yeah man, so I would definitely recommend. Toby gave them a 10. Our service was wonderful as well, because I was a little bit on the early side, and I had the young lady who was the waitress hold a seat for us, and she definitely did that. So she came through for us in all points possible.
So how much would you give them for the meal? Because I didn't give them a 10 overall. I give them a 10 for the meal.
All right, so for the meal, I would give them a wonderful, very, very high 8.5.
Okay, all right, that is reasonable because you did have some issue, but my food did a pork still, isn't it? So you know, say, isn't it? But anyways, for customer service, I definitely give the waitress a 10. She was really pleasant. She was really like, you know, she didn't, you know, some persons is like, yeah, they bother them. She didn't have that spirit, and I like that, and she was willing to attend to our needs, which I like. What else can I comment on? What else do I normally comment on my viewers? I don't remember. Let me see. So
I think in regards to the COVID-19 measures, there were some good measures. What I would recommend for them is that providing bags to put the mask in once we enter into the restaurant, but the scanning of the menu, which you guys will see in the previous clips, is very efficient instead of having to distribute menus that you have to constantly sanitize, and which is cost effective on the restaurant size. Or don't sanitize and spread germs.
But the last thing I'm gonna touch on is the cost. So guys, I don't know, I say me a cheap papa, but we spend my money for good food, isn't it? So the food price,
they're not cheap. So
it's not. It's not. You see, go to KFC, stick to KFC and Burger King, my friends.
Right.
If you see, if you plan, because you have, you know, say some couples really save and say they go out, you know, this is the spot for you. If you save and you say, you know, you can take on that, or your budget is top notch, then this is definitely the place for you. You can definitely visit. It's a good atmosphere, good environment, good customer service, taste good food, right? So overall, this restaurant, I am going to give this overall experience a 9. So I'm going to give this overall experience a 9 because when I go to my restaurants, I really look at customer service, and customer service in Jamaica, we overall offer customer service to Americans top up there. But when it comes on to locals, we kind of damp it down, wash you out or something like that. So I'm glad I came to a restaurant and I really wasn't stereotyped. You understand? Maybe because, you know, I didn't look like I have the body stills. And you know what I remember? The wine, guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I have one wine. I can't even tell you no what wine do to me on the camera. But you know, the wine was really oh yo. the wine was really good.
It's true.
I wanted to buy a bottle.
The wine is top notch.
But you know, taxes. I couldn't. But the wine was really it really play with the tongue, the taste bud. That sound wrong.
Well, we had two different wines. She had Moscato,
Yes.
and had the Pinot Grigio, which was more on the sour side for me. But it was really good and really bit sparkly on the tongue, even though it was sour. So it's something that you can drink in one gulp, you know.
Mine was a bit sweet. So yeah, but guys, if you have ever been to Uncorked, let us know in the comments, right? And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, because it's shareable, right? And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, right? So you can be notified when we drop another video. Guys, I really want to tell you that I really appreciate the support. I like anytime anyone give me a review about my video, whether it's bad or good, I really appreciate it because it helps me to grow as an individual and helps the channel to grow. So continue liking, continue sharing, continue watching, continue commenting. And I do thank my friend Abbigail for being here with me.
It was my pleasure.
And real Jamaican foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? I'm out.
Bye.